potholes, bloody potholes everywhere. Nice road though, as long as you don't get cars cutting the corners. And another cracking view. Is that working? Yes it is, good. Yeah, another lovely view. Oh dear, that's coming loose. I need to pull in. I need to pull in. Bollocks. Quick little stop. I noticed my peak was rattling like hell. Oh nice. Lots of Morris Minors, look. So yeah, I noticed my peak was rattling like hell, and the bloody bolt that holds the peak and the visor in place had come loose. It's all new, see, isn't it? Although matey boy did take that off when he put the pin lock on when I bought it. So clearly never did it up very tight. Hopefully all sorted. We're going to go back this way anyway, nice quiet route. As I said earlier, it's just lovely to be able to ride roads like this with virtually no traffic. As he says that, car comes around the corner. There's the old red flag flying again, look. It's a Honda Jazz. said, Brian, I've been thinking if you were to do another channel and buy another bike, which is a trike, you could be called the Peaky Triker. The Peaky Triker. Well, I got to admit, even though it's been all back roads today, I've bloody enjoyed that. It's just nice to get out. Well, that has been lovely, folks. If you've made it this far, thanks for coming along for the ride. Hope you've enjoyed it. They give a whole week of cracking weather. I hope it's cracking weather where you are. Me, I should be back on Grandad duties as from tomorrow. So no more riding until next weekend for me. Not unless it's an evening one. I'm going to go indoors and look for another bike. I don't know.